Vamos a entrenar la soldadora al desfile.
I gave you a car, I gave you a diamond ring. That wasn't enough, is that what you're telling me? What's the definition of love if it isn't material things? Material things.
Lo quiero también. ¡Ah!